Good day, everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing you the bees, and I'm gonna be breaking open the hive. It'll be a quick process. Try not to be too quick, not to disturb them, make them angry. But as you can see, I smoke a lot, but they're not too bad usually. By this point in the video, I already have the top off. Right now, I'm taking off the honey super, and right now it's just the queen excluder on top, which I'm getting ready to remove. Sometimes I try to strong arm it, as you can see there, but it's really like tough. So yeah, there I go with the hook. It makes it a lot easier. Might as well use your tools if you have them. As you can see, there's a lot of honey there. Not everything capped, but a lot capped on that side.
This other one too.
This is also early in the spring, and they kind of fill those up pretty quickly. After I put them in there, they were actually bare.
Look like the whole top piece is honey on the top line. Yeah. It's heavy.
Probably got a few casualties there. Yeah, as I said, it's heavy. But yeah, you can't save them all. So as you can see, a lot of it's capped. Beautifully fresh white cap. Working on it, some of it. You can see where some of it, the comb broke off, where they were just doing their own thing, but that's alright.
They got some brood in the net for me. Get rid of them. Okay, I got some brood in the net for me.
You can see them at the entrance still going in and out. Yeah, they're still just working, doing their thing, not paying me much mind. For some reason here they did a little freestyle there with the comb. They actually did it on quite a few of the frames. Beautiful white caps though, might I add. This thing is actually very, very heavy. These frames are actually from my old hive. that I transferred to my hoover. That's why they look pretty used. See me, I'm picking a little piece of comb off there. Try it, but they get a little rowdy here coming up. Well, anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Till next time, I appreciate you for watching. If you like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, I'm out.